Alright, I got the orange and the red gummy worm. From my local public supermarkets. We're bass fishing out here, secret spot. I think so far, we've probably been out here about maybe 30 minutes. We caught 4 on the gummy worms. They like the red and the white. They like the green and the yellow. I haven't caught one on the orange and the red yet. So that's what we're trying. Gummy worms are so delicious. They're not really feeling the orange and the red though. Change it up a little bit. In a second. Oh, somebody's feeling it. We just had a hit. Just a little nibble. They probably saw the orange hanging off the tail. They just couldn't resist. The hook's a little further up. I think it's actually through a piece of red. Maybe they aren't with the red right now. There's so many different kinds of gummy worms too. I think I'm gonna have to try some more different brands, some solids, you know, change it up a little bit. Maybe some of those kind with the, what's that stuff on the outside? What? Sweet and sour kind of stuff, you know?
Yeah, the frolic.
You know what I'm talking about. One more cast with the orange and red, then we're changing back to green and yellow.
Called Baker.
Oh, Michael Baker is missing out. He was supposed to be here earlier, but he drank too much last night. He only wants to bring the MSU out, you know? But I'm not really down with that. That's kind of lazy fishing. It's definitely a lot more fun when you're catching them off of something you can eat.